rap and sell dope or do anything for real. I step in the kitchen and make it jump back for real. I get it gone out the door and move it through the trap. I mix it in the bowl and push it in your face for sure. She stuff it on her nose and hit it off the stem for real. I'm sitting in the crib watching this shit gone for real. It disappear on the stem, I'm telling you I'm real. I make the best shit jump back right now for real. Straight drop this shit that you can really see through. Or sometimes it might come in beige too. The yellow dope the best though, I swear it's like butter. Just jumping in the pan, make it cook it down order. Order what you want right now, I can bring it to you.